Membrane keyboard. The membrane keyboard is the most common type of keyboard found in homes and offices around the world. It uses a pressure-sensitive membrane layer beneath the keys that completes an electrical circuit when a key is pressed down. The keys have a soft, quiet feel with minimal tactile feedback, and the entire mechanism is sealed beneath a single flexible sheet rather than consisting of individual mechanical switches. This construction makes membrane keyboards inexpensive to manufacture, quiet during use, and resistant to dust and liquid spills. They are the standard keyboard shipped with most desktop computers and are widely used in environments where noise reduction is important, such as open-plan offices and shared workspaces. The trade-off for their affordability and quietness is a typing experience that many touch typists find less satisfying than mechanical alternatives.
Mechanical keyboard. Mechanical keyboards use individual physical switches beneath each key, with each switch containing a spring and a stem that travels downward when pressed, registering a keystroke at a precise point in the key travel. The distinct tactile and audible feedback of mechanical switches has made them highly popular among typists, programmers, and gamers who prefer a more responsive and satisfying typing experience. Different switch types offer different characteristics. Some are tactile with a noticeable or clicky with an audible sound, and some are linear with smooth, consistent resistance throughout the keystroke. Mechanical keyboards are significantly more durable than membrane alternatives, with quality switches rated for tens of millions of keystrokes. The enthusiastic mechanical keyboard community has grown into a substantial hobby, with custom keyboards, artisan keycaps, and specialized switches commanding significant collector interest.
Gaming keyboard. Gaming keyboards are designed with the specific needs of video game players in mind, combining fast and responsive switches with additional features that provide competitive advantages during gameplay. They typically feature mechanical or optical switches, optimized for rapid, repeated actuation, per-key RGB lighting that can be customized to highlight specific keys or create visual effects, and anti-ghosting technology that ensures every simultaneous key press is registered accurately, even when multiple keys are held down at once. Macro keys along the side allow complex sequences of actions to be triggered with a single key press. Many gaming keyboards include dedicated media controls, USB pass-through ports, and wrist rests. The RGB lighting ecosystem has become a significant part of gaming keyboard identity, with software allowing users to synchronize lighting effects across their entire gaming setup. Wireless keyboard. Wireless keyboards connect to computers and devices without a physical cable, communicating through either Bluetooth or a proprietary USB dongle receiver using radio frequency signals. They eliminate cable clutter on desks and allow the keyboard to be used from a comfortable distance, which is particularly useful when a computer is connected to a television or used in a living room setup. Modern wireless keyboards offer latency performance that is virtually indistinguishable from wired connections for most typing and gaming applications. Battery life varies significantly between models, with some lasting weeks on AA batteries and others featuring built-in rechargeable batteries charged via USB-C. The main consideration with wireless keyboards is battery management, as running out of power at an inconvenient moment requires either recharging or replacing batteries before work can continue. Ergonomic keyboard. Ergonomic keyboards are designed to reduce physical strain during extended typing sessions by positioning the hands, wrists, and arms in more natural postures than standard flat keyboard layouts allow. The most distinctive ergonomic designs split the keyboard into two halves angled outward to match the natural width of the shoulders, preventing the inward rotation of the wrists that flat keyboards impose. Others feature a curved or tented shape that raises the center of the keyboard to reduce forearm pronation. Some ergonomic keyboards include integrated wrist rests to maintain neutral wrist positions. These keyboards are particularly valuable for people who type for many hours daily and experience discomfort or repetitive strain injuries associated with conventional keyboard use. The initial learning curve of adapting to an unconventional layout is typically offset by long-term comfort improvements. Laptop keyboard. Laptop keyboards are integrated directly into the body of the laptop computer, designed to fit within the strict thickness constraints of portable computing devices. They use shallow key travel, often just 1 to 2 millimeters compared to the 4 millimeters typical of desktop keyboards, to keep the overall laptop profile thin. Early laptop keyboards used scissor switch mechanisms that provided a reasonable typing experience despite their shallow travel. Apple's controversial butterfly switch design, introduced to achieve even thinner profiles, became notorious for reliability problems before being replaced.
Modern laptop keyboards have largely returned to scissor switch designs, with slightly increased key travel, following feedback from users who found ultra-thin keyboards unsatisfying for extended typing. The integrated nature of laptop keyboards means that damage or failure requires professional repair rather than simple replacement.
Virtual keyboard. Virtual keyboards display a keyboard interface on a touchscreen rather than providing physical keys. They appear on smartphones, tablets, and touchscreen computers, adapting their layout and size to different applications and input contexts. Modern virtual keyboards on smartphones have become remarkably sophisticated, with predictive text algorithms that anticipate the next word, autocorrect that fixes common typing errors, swipe-to-type functionality that allows words to be entered by sliding a finger across the letters, and multilingual support that switches between language layouts automatically. While virtual keyboards are adequate for short text inputs and messaging, most users find extended document writing on a touchscreen significantly slower and more fatiguing than typing on a physical keyboard. Foldable and portable physical keyboards that connect via Bluetooth have emerged as a popular accessory for tablet users who need more substantial text input capability. Projection keyboard. A projection keyboard uses a laser or infrared projector to display a full-size keyboard layout onto any flat surface, detecting finger movements through infrared sensors to register keystrokes when fingers make contact with the projected keys. The concept is compelling: a full-size keyboard that occupies virtually no space and can be projected anywhere, making it appear ideal for travel and compact workspaces. In practice, projection keyboards have limitations that have prevented mainstream adoption. Typing on a hard, flat surface without any tactile feedback is significantly less comfortable and accurate than typing on physical keys, and the infrared detection can struggle in bright ambient light conditions. They remain a niche curiosity rather than a mainstream computing accessory, though they continue to attract interest as a demonstration of technology miniaturization. Braille Keyboard. Braille keyboards are specialized input devices designed for users who are blind or visually impaired, featuring keys arranged according to the Braille writing system rather than the standard QWERTY layout. Traditional Braille keyboards use a 6 or 8 key chord input system, where different combinations of simultaneously pressed keys produce different Braille characters. Modern assistive technology has expanded the options available to visually impaired users, with refreshable Braille displays that combine input and output functionality, and screen readers that make standard keyboards accessible through audio feedback. Some Braille keyboards are designed for note-taking devices used by students and professionals who are blind, while others connect to standard computers and smartphones. These devices play an essential role in digital accessibility, enabling visually impaired users to participate fully in education, employment, and communication. Foldable Keyboard. Foldable keyboards are full-size or near full-size keyboards that fold in half or into thirds along hinges, reducing their footprint for transport while providing a more comfortable typing surface than virtual keyboards when unfolded for use. They are primarily designed as accessories for smartphones and tablets, connecting via Bluetooth to provide physical keyboard input for extended typing sessions. A folded foldable keyboard can fit in a jacket pocket or small bag alongside a smartphone, making it appealing for travelers, journalists, and mobile professionals who need to write documents away from a desk. Build quality varies significantly across the category, with premium models offering a satisfying near-desktop typing experience and budget versions feeling flimsy and imprecise. As tablet computing has grown, foldable keyboards have established a genuine niche in the mobile productivity accessory market. That covers all the kinds of computer keyboards we have for you today. If this video helped you understand something new, make sure you subscribe to ByteSimple. We break down a new tech topic every single week. Drop a comment below and tell us, which type of keyboard are you using right now? See you in the next one.